Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna create a quick in-depth review about these AI affiliate marketing tools called Refersion. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Refersion is a powerful affiliate marketing tools built for e-commerce brands that want to track, manage and grow their affiliate program with ease. It integrates seamlessly with Shopify and WooCommerce, offering real-time tracking, automated payout, and a clean dashboard that makes affiliate management simple even for beginners. However, Refersion can get pricey as your program scales and it lacks strong influencer discovery or advanced customization options. So in my conclusion, it's a reliable and easy to use choice for small to mid-sized business wanting to automate affiliate marketing without complexity. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.